Give kisses. Sophia, watch where you're stepping.
Here.
Come over here, sit down.
Hi. Hi.
Lucas?
I like it like 62 in the house.
Go.
Is that video?
Did you watch him?
Sophia, what kind of puppy is that?
It's real. It's real. It's real.
Sophia, what is he? What is he?
What is he, Sophia?
He's crazy!
The other one. Sit down.
Can't reach it.
No, you need to
She
stop.
said I will try it. Oh, she'll bite your feet. Don't. Shamu, don't bite her
I'll
feet.
just give her the tap.
That'll make her work.
Sophia, can you put him down and let him play, please? Let him play.
Oops, sorry. There you go.
See puppy?
That's a puppy to play with. Don't do that.
Do not. Lucas.
Go play with the puppies.
Play with the puppies.
It's like,
If they were a
He's
week,
gonna explode.
if they were a week older, they would play a lot.
yeah, they're still a little young yet.
You're one of the toys, Danielle. You're one of the toys. Not that toy.
She said, no, I'll bite you instead.
You want to touch a puppy? Here.
In the box.
You want this puppy?
There goes a puppy to play with. You know why? She might like me because I was at the farm and I saw like horses.
Here you go.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. I went back to work, so.
Yeah, he did get stuck in there, didn't he?